Hi, it's Dr. Lynn with Empowerment Physical Therapy, and today I want to go over with you on how to protect your back when you're sneezing. So with the change in the weather from the summer to the fall, you'll probably be sneezing a lot more frequently than you used to, whether it's because of allergies or just with the transition from warm, hot to cold weather. So first thing first, you want to kind of get ready for the sneeze. So one of the things that you want to do when you're anticipating a sneeze is to, I'll go south so you can see me, is to just kind of bend forward a little bit with your straight back, hands on your thigh or comfortable. And then that way, when you're sneezing, you're projecting that sneeze forward and you're engaging what we call your abdominals, which is your core. So it takes the pressure off the back. And now you kind of see it from the front as well, where I'm kind of hunched over a little bit. And I'm bending in my hips so that when I'm sneezing, I'm projecting it forward and I'm engaging this as opposed to just my back. So, gotta do it again. I'm gonna lean forward with your straight back, engage your abdominals, and then sneeze. That will take the pressure off here, especially if you're having back issues. That will kind of prevent it from flaring it up and aggravating it if you do have a back issue. Now, if you don't have a back issue, it can prevent you from having a back issue. So here's simple things that you can do while you're sneezing to protect your back from flaring it up. If you find this information helpful, send it to a friend, or if you have any questions, concerns about it, give us a call, and we're happy to kind of guide you in the right direction.